Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we bring you tips and tricks to help you achieve your academic goals. In today's video, we'll be discussing 3 study techniques that you may not have heard of before. These techniques are unique and effective, so let's get started. Before going into video, solve this riddle: forward I'm heavy, backwards I'm not. What am I? Now let's dive in. Number 1, the Feynman technique. This technique was named after the famous physicist, Richard Feynman. It's a simple but effective way to learn new concepts. Here's how it works. Step 1. Choose a concept that you want to learn. Step 2. Explain the concept in your own words as if you were teaching it to someone else. Step 3. Identify the gaps in your explanation and go back to the source material to fill them in. Step 4. Repeat the process until you can explain the concept clearly and concisely. This technique works because it forces you to break down complex concepts into simpler parts, and it helps you identify areas where you need to focus your attention. Number 2, the Pomodoro technique. If you find it difficult to focus for long periods of time, the Pomodoro technique might be just what you need. It's a time management method that can help you increase your productivity and reduce procrastination. Here's how it works. Step 1. Choose a task that you want to work on. Step 2. Set a timer for 25 minutes. Step 3. Work on the task until the timer goes off. Step 4. Take a 5-minute break. Step 5. Repeat the process. After 4 25-minute work periods, take a longer break of 15 to 20 minutes. This technique works because it helps you break your work into manageable chunks and gives you regular breaks to recharge your brain. Number 3, the memory palace technique. This technique is also known as the method of loci and has been used since ancient times. It's an effective way to remember a large amount of information. Here's how it works. Step 1. Choose a familiar location, such as your home. Step 2. Create a mental image of the location. Step 3. Associate the information you want to remember with specific locations in your mental image. Step 4. When you need to recall the information, mentally walk through your memory palace and visualize each location along the way. This technique works because it uses the power of visual memory to help you remember information more effectively. There you have it. 3 study techniques that you may not have heard of before. Give these techniques a try and let us know how they work for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.